Hey guys, Dreadlocks90 here. I'm going to do a full detailed bike check for you. We'll start from the front and work our way down. These are Sky High bars, fit Sky Highs. Took the sticker off though because it didn't look too good in chrome. I have ODI grips that are worn down and dirty. I need to get some new ones with the ODI bar ends. Fit Style DLD stem. It's not the normal one, it's just a stock version. Salt plus headset in a nice candy blue colour. Fit blade forks, very nice, very light, very strong as well. I have a worn down Fit FAF tyre 2.30 tam wall. I have an Eclat Exodus rim laced to a proper hub with blue spokes, like it. This is the Fit Eddy version 3 frame. It's 21 top tube, very nice, very long, easy to spin, easy to manual. Have a Wheelie People stock seat, comes on a Wheelie People complete. I have a Muni sprocket, it's a 28 tooth. I have FitFlow cranks with Primo pedals in green, getting rid of them soon because I've got Black Odyssey ones, can't be asked to put them on. I have the Candy Blue Eclat bottom bracket, very nice, goes with the rest of the bike colours. I have an Odyssey back hub. It's only a 10 tooth though because of my 28. I want a 9 tooth though. Stock chain, and it's laced. The Odyssey hub is laced to a Sunlight rim. It's 36 hole. It's very nice. And if I can just get the camera balanced for you, I'll do a hub sound for you. Sounds fresh, sounds nice. On the back we have a Demolition Momentum tam wall tyre. It is only a 2.20, sold out at 2.35, so I couldn't get one. So yeah, there's my bike check. That's my bike. Thank you guys for watching.